Of course, despite all the turmoils of war, there was a lot of romance around in the air in the Second World War as well. Many people would remember the war years as the time they met their wife or husband or partner, for there were romantic times, and summed up by that lovely song a Nightingale sang in Berkeley Square. That certain night, the night we met, there was magic abroad in the air. There were angels guiding at the Ritz, and a nightingale sang in Berkeley Square. Perfectly willing to swear that when you turned and smiled at me, a nightingale sang in Berkeley Square. The moon that lingered over London town, poor puzzled he wore a frown. How could he know we two were so in love? The whole darn world seems upside down. The streets of town were paved with stars. It was such a romantic affair. And when we kissed and said goodnight, a nightingale sang in Berkeley Square. When dawn came stealing up all gold and blue to interrupt our rendezvous, I still remember how you smiled and said, was that a dream, or was it true? Our homeward steps were just as light as the tap dancing feet of a stair, and like an echo far away, a nightingale sang in Berkeley Square. I know, 'cause I was there that night in Berkeley Square.